Hello. Can't think of anything clever to talk about today. Oh, have you seen the new Captain America movie? Got the shirt. I haven't seen it yet. I've heard mixed reviews on it. Mostly not good, but, maybe I'll watch it this weekend. We'll see. Anyway, we got business to take care of. Let's get started. Hello and welcome to another Cybersecurity 101. I'm Mark Hemingway, Creative Content Director here at Archer Energy Solutions. And today we're going to talk about cyber threat intelligence. So, not really sure what this is, but we're going to take a dive into it. So let's just hop on into what we're going to do today. So, loaded into ChatGPT is what is cyber threat intelligence, CTI. Cyber threat intelligence, CTI, is the collection, analysis, and sharing of information about potential or active cyber threats. Okay. It helps organizations understand risks, anticipate attacks, and make informed security decisions. CTI can be strategic, operational, tactical, or technical in nature. Okay. Well, that's interesting. It's just like a hub of all the information collected together. That's cool. All right, let's find out why it's important. So why is threat intelligence important for cybersecurity? Threat intelligence helps organizations stay ahead of cyber threats by identifying risks before they cause damage. It improves decision-making, strengthens defenses, and speeds up incident response. Without it, organizations are more reactive and vulnerable. So that's good. It's kind of a thing that kind of keeps you ahead of the curve, making sure that you're always aware of what's coming down the pipeline so that you can look out for that for yourself. That's awesome. So how are they getting tipped off by all this? Let's find out. Where does threat intelligence come from? Threat intelligence comes from multiple sources, including open source data, or OSINT, commercial threat feeds, internal security logs, dark web monitoring, and information sharing groups. Analysts also gather intelligence through active research and partnerships. Combining sources gives a fuller, more accurate picture. Okay. That's quite a lot of places. It's nice to have that somebody's monitoring the dark web to let us know what's going on, because I'm still unaware of how to get there, and I'm okay with that. All right, let's take a look at the how. How do organizations collect and analyze threat intelligence? Organizations collect threat intelligence through automated tools like SIMs, I think that's what that is, threat feeds, and scanners, and manual research. Analysts then validate, correlate, and prioritize the data to find relevant threats. They use frameworks like the Diamond model or Mitra attack for deeper analysis. Mitra. I'm not sure I'm saying that right. Very interesting. All right, how do we use it? How do we use it to protect ourselves? How is CTI used to prevent or respond to cyber threats? CTI is used to proactively block known threats, strengthen defenses, and detect early warning signs of attacks. During incidents, CTI helps identify attacker tactics, tools, and targets to guide a faster, more effective response. It also informs longer-term security strategies. All right, there you go. That's interesting. All right, who uses this? Who needs this? Who typically uses threat intelligence within an organization? Threat intelligence is used by security operations teams, SOCs, incident response teams, threat hunters. That's interesting. And risk management groups. Executives and decision makers also use high-level CTI for strategic planning. Each group tailors the intelligence to their specific needs. Interesting. Well, there you go. And that's how that's done. So are there any challenges that are involved? Is there anything that, gets in the way? What challenges do organizations face when using threat intelligence? Organizations often struggle with information overload, false positives, and making CTI actionable. Integrating CTI into existing workflows and ensuring its relevance to their environment is also challenging. Limited skilled personnel can make effective use even harder. All right. Well, there you go. Them's the challenges. I mean, large corporations, I understand, but do the little guys, do they need to worry about this? How can even small organizations benefit from basic CTI practices? Small organizations can use basic CTI to identify common threats, prioritize patching, and improve incident response. Even simple threat feeds and open source tools can boost awareness and resilience. Starting small builds a strong foundation for future growth. All right, there you go. All right, let's wrap the show up with my favorite question is, was there an incident that was involved? So, what is a known incident that involved CTI? I think we get the WannaCry a lot on here. The 2017 WannaCry ransom attack involved CTI when organizations used shared indicators of compromise, IOCs, to block the malware's spread. Threat intelligence helped security teams quickly identify vulnerable systems and apply patches. Collaboration through CTI greatly reduced further damage. Well, there you go. So it came in handy there. But yeah, I feel like we see a lot of examples that have to do with WannaCry. So that was just part of just about everything, I think. Anyway, alrighty. Well, I hope you learned something. I know I did. There you go. Let me know if you have any questions. Go ahead and put those down in the comments below on YouTube. And, if you have an idea for an episode of one that we want to do that you think was good, or if there was something that you think we could, that would make this episode better, that just wasn't touched on, that makes it more understandable. So in the meantime, don't forget to follow us on our social media channels, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. And as always, on our YouTube channel, @ArcherU. That's it. I'm going to watch me some Captain America this weekend. So you do the same. Watch something. Anyways. All right. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.
You can catch new episodes every Thursday. Follow us on YouTube @ArcherU. Like, subscribe, and click the bell notification to be notified when a new episode has been released. Is there a question or a topic you'd like Mark to address on an upcoming episode of Cybersecurity 101? Leave them in the comments below and check back in every Thursday for a brand new episode.